Have you ever opened a black PNG logo in Photopea and thought, I wish this was a white? I know that feeling. The first time I needed to put a black PNG on a dark background, I panicked. It looked completely invisible. I even tried dragging it into Microsoft Word to see if some magic would happen. Spoiler, nothing happened. If you are in that same spot right now, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through how to change your black PNG to white in Photopea, step by step, no jargon, no experience required. And yes, by the end of this, your logo will look perfect on any dark background. Before we take a closer look at that, let me ask you this. Have you ever tried editing a PNG before and ended up completely lost in the menus? I did. Photopea can look intimidating the first time you open it, like a free Photoshop clone that speaks its own secret language. But once you know where to click, it becomes almost effortless. Let's start. First, open Photopea in your browser. No downloads, no account, just type photopea.com into your address bar. Once it's open, go to the top left corner and click File and then click Open. Find your black PNG on your computer and load it, or just drag and drop the image in the dedicated area. Then the image should appear on the canvas, probably on a white background by default, or if it doesn't have a background, then you should see checkerboard background. If it looks like nothing changed, that's just because the PNG is black and the default workspace is light. Here is the part that confused me as a beginner. Changing black to white is not just painting over it. You can try to use the paint bucket or brush, but it's messy. The right way is to use an adjustment layer that inverts the colors. So here is what you do. At the top menu, click Image, then go to the Adjustments, and here click on Invert. And now, suddenly, your black logo turns white. Once your image is exactly how you want it, go to File, then go Export As, and then select PNG. Name it something like logo white PNG, and you are done. If your logo has no background, then the inverted PNG should also be without background. So the next time someone sends you a black only PNG and says, can you make this white? You won't even blink. You will smile, open Photopea, and fix it like a designer who knows exactly what they are doing.